Hello, in this video I explain some Python dictionary programs. Okay, so these 25 programs I explained here. So first practice on your own. If you did not get logic, just look into this explanation. Okay, and also if you finish practicing these 25 videos, some more has given this 25 extra 25 dictionary for Python programs. Solutions has given to these 25 programs, but no explanation for this. Okay, but you can get easily if you practice the other 25 programs. Okay, so first we look into the small part of theory only. So what is dictionary? So dictionary is nothing but in Python are unordered collections of key value pairs. Each key is associated with corresponding value. So if you practice earlier list, set, strings, and also tuples, so this is different. Okay, accessing values through dictionary is different from those collections because we dictionary consists of a key value pairs like this one here. Just say example input equal a:1. So a is key, one is value here. Okay, so dictionary is divided by flower brackets. Inside flower brackets, if you have key value pairs, different key value pairs is there. Three key value pairs. So each key and value. Each key can be int, string, or tuple type, but values can be of any data type. Okay, each key must be int or string or tuple, but values can be of any data type here. Okay, the left side of colon is the key and right side is the value here. Okay, so we have to remember that one key value pair. Dictionary is nothing but a key value pair. Okay, another collections of a key value pair. And also dictionaries are ordered from Python 3.7. Okay, Python 3.7 version are ordered. Before that is ordered. So we'll see which version Visual Studio. So how to check version in Visual Studio, which Python you're working. Just py space hyphen 0. So I'm using Python 3.12. Okay, 3.12 version I'm using. So as of this version, this is an unordered collection. Okay, so if you are using Python 3.7, it's an ordered. Okay, and values are mutable here, but keys are immutable here. Okay, in dictionary, keys are immutable, values are mutable here. And also no duplicate on keys, but values can be duplicate. Keys cannot be duplicate, but values can be duplicate here, indexed by key name. Okay, and no slicing in the dictionary. If you want slicing, you have to convert into list and do slicing and reconvert it to dictionary. So that's the different process. So just remember, okay, what is dictionary? Just small theory about it. We'll see example. So we'll get clear idea. First example: write a Python script to sort ascending and descending a dictionary by value. Okay, we have to sort ascending and descending by dictionary by value here. This is the input here. We will take this input here. The sample input. We have to sort it by ascending and descending order. Okay. And before ascending and descending, we will access how we access keys and values here. Okay. First, take some x is equal to dictionary. This is a dictionary here. Okay. Sample dictionary. Three keys and three values are there. Sample dictionary and just normal. If you print text here, this is the normal output. You will get it. A1, B3, C2. But if you want to access keys, I want to access only keys here. I want to access only keys in the from the dictionary. I want to access only keys from the dictionary, not values. Just ABC I want it. For that, there is a method called keys method. Print x dot keys method. If you want only keys, you want to use this keys method here. Observe, see ABC here. We got it here. Okay, right. And I want only values. I don't want keys. I want only values. If you want to only values, there is a values method is there. X dot values. Okay, so dictionary this is the constructor. Just ignore that one. Just we'll get a keys only here. Okay, A, B, C, and values 1, comma 3, comma 2. Okay, but I want both keys and values. I want both keys and values. For that, there is a items method is there. Okay, if you want to what both keys and values here. Okay, if you want only keys, you have to use keys method. Only values method. Both keys and values, you have the items method. Simple. You can also access keys and values through for loop. Okay, using for loop also we can access keys and values. How? For k comma v in x dot items. Simple. Key stored in k, value stored in v. Simple. Okay, you can give any name, k comma, not only k comma, you can give any name. If you view like this, keys is stored in the K and values stores in the V here. Okay, V variable. X dot items consists of keys and values here. Okay. If you want, you can see here. Print K. If you want keys, print values. If you want to print values, okay. If you want both keys and values, just print uh, K. V. Okay, observe here. See, A1 A means key one value, A colon 1 is here, A colon 1, B3 B colon 3, C2 C colon 2. Okay, you observe here, simple. Otherwise, if you want to understand, just remove this one. Just if you want only keys here, say ABC, we got keys. If you want only values, just V here, print V here. So 150, you got the values, you got the keys. If you want both keys and values, okay, that's it. You want both keys and values, okay? So A colon 1, B3, C2. Simple, right? So now we have to do ascending and descending order. Okay, I want to sort this dictionary ascending and descending order. First, we will sort in ascending order. You know, sorted a lambda function. Okay, so if you practice earlier list and tupular string, so you know what is sorted and what is lambda. So I'm not explaining even sorted function. If you want to sort in, just use sorted function. Simple as well. Okay, pass object here. Which object I want to pass? X dot items. Simple. Lambda function. Lambda key equal to lambda. Lambda takes argument colon expression. Okay, argument colon expression 1. So I want access values and no. If you want keys 0 here, values 1 3 2. So these items this object passed to this lambda, and based on the value which you pass here, it starts the method. Okay, I want in ascending order. By default it takes ascending order only. Okay, that's it. Simple. Give here x underscore asc. Simple. Print x underscore asc. Okay, sorting in ascending order here. Okay, means I have to read 1 2 3. See, a1 c2 b3 here. Ascending order based on value. If I want to based on I want values with descending order, means the same thing. Use here dsc sorted, same thing, but instead of there is another parameter here, reverse equal to true. If you want descending order, you have to pass that one. Okay, reverse is equal to true. Simple. If you want descending order, just print that x underscore dsc. Simple. See, b c3 2 b3 c2 a1. Okay, b3 c2 a1. So your first one is ascending order, second one is descending order here. Observe here. Okay, simple. So you have to do these things. So started return type of already is a list format, so there is a list format. You can convert list to dictionary also, so there's a different one, but as of now just check this sorted method and the how to retrieve keys and values here. Okay, how to retrieve keys, how to retrieve values, how to retrieve both keys and values, how to do sorting function. Okay, how to use sorting function.